Welcome back to AK Cars Reviews. Today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated American supercars of the decade, the 2026 Corvette ZORA. This is the car that pushes the boundaries of Corvette performance and takes the legendary name into a whole new era. The ZORA isn't just another Corvette. It's the most powerful, most technologically advanced version Chevrolet has ever built, and it's designed to compete with the best supercars in the world. Starting with the exterior, the design is nothing short of breathtaking. Chevrolet has pushed the Corvette's styling language to the extreme with sharp aerodynamic lines, a wider stance, and a more aggressive presence than ever before. At the front, the low-slung hood features large air vents designed not only for styling, but also for cooling the hybrid powertrain. Sleek LED headlights flow seamlessly into the sculpted fenders, giving the car a futuristic yet muscular look. Along the sides, deep air intakes channel airflow efficiently to the mid-mounted engine, while carbon fiber accents enhance both style and performance. At the rear, you'll find a prominent active wing, a quad exhaust setup, and a dramatic diffuser that all work together to maximize downforce and stability at high speeds. The ZORA doesn't just look like a supercar, it's engineered like one, with every surface designed for performance. Inside the cabin, Chevrolet has given the ZORA a cockpit that feels both luxurious and driver-focused. As soon as you open the doors, you're greeted by premium materials like Alcantara, carbon fiber, and leather that wrap around the cabin. The driver sits low and snug, with a squared-off steering wheel packed with performance controls right at your fingertips. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, displaying hybrid system information, track data, and performance stats in real time. The center console is angled toward the driver, featuring a large infotainment screen with Chevrolet's latest software, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and performance telemetry apps. Seating is supportive, with available carbon fiber racing buckets for those who want a true track experience. Despite its focus on speed, the ZORA doesn't forget comfort. Dual-zone climate control, premium Bose audio, and advanced driver aids all come standard. Now let's talk about performance, which is where the 2026 Corvette ZORA truly earns its supercar status. Under the hood, or rather behind the seats, you'll find a twin-turbocharged 5.5-liter V8 engine paired with an advanced hybrid system. Together, they produce an astonishing 1,000 horsepower. Power is delivered through an advanced all-wheel drive system, making the ZORA not just brutally fast in a straight line, but also incredibly capable in corners. Early performance figures suggest 0 to 60 in under 2.0 seconds, putting it in direct competition with hypercars from Ferrari, McLaren, and even Bugatti. The hybrid system isn't just for extra power, it also helps with torque vectoring, ensuring maximum grip and agility on the track. The suspension is fully adaptive, with magnetic ride control that adjusts in milliseconds for road or track conditions. Braking is handled by massive carbon ceramic discs, ensuring the car stops as aggressively as it accelerates. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or setting lap records, the ZORA is designed to deliver thrills on every drive. Finally, let's touch on pricing. The Corvette ZORA is expected to start around $250,000, which places it firmly in supercar territory. But when you consider its performance, advanced hybrid technology, and the legendary Corvette heritage, it's a relative bargain compared to rivals costing 2 or 3 times as much. With limited production planned, exclusivity will also play a big role in its appeal. For enthusiasts who want the ultimate expression of Corvette engineering, the ZORA represents the peak of American performance. The 2026 Corvette ZORA isn't just another Corvette. It's a statement, a car that shows Chevrolet can go toe-to-toe with the best supercars in the world, while still keeping that distinct Corvette soul alive. With stunning design, cutting-edge technology, a luxurious interior, and jaw-dropping performance, The ZORA has redefined what an American supercar can be.